Hi friends, here is a quick unboxing review of the Realme GT Neo 5. So let's do the unboxing experience in this device. And this is the case, and it is the phone itself, which is a 240 watts variant which I have ordered right now, which has got the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. And this is a 240 watts Superbook charger which came along with the box, and there will be case as well. And this is the case which comes along with the phone, so which looks really very good in the Realme GT Neo 5. So which is not the transparent case, which is this kind of case, so which is really good, which is a default case in this Realme GT Neo 5. Follow my channel for more updates and check the playlist videos for more videos as well. Check the playlist videos, links in the description below.